as we had studied the packing efficiency in case of SCP and CCP, now we will discuss the packing efficiency of BCC. Here we are again taking a unit cell, and BCC means body centered cubic close packing. Okay, so in this case we will take this triangle, that is triangle EFD, then this is the triangle EF and D. Okay, these are the two sides which are measured as A, means the side of the cube will be equal to A, EF will be equal to A, and ED will be equal to A, and their hypotenuse will be equal to B. Okay, so we are taking this triangle in so according to the Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square is equal to the perpendicular square and the base square. So we will take the values of this. This b square will be equal to a square plus a square, which is equal to 2a square. So b will be equal to root 2a. Now in triangle AFD, okay, so triangle A, F and D, okay, this triangle. Okay, so in case of triangle AFD, this C square, we are taking this one, okay, this C square will be equal to A square plus B square. We are taking AFD, right? Okay, so in this case this length means C square will be equal to AD square plus FD square. Okay, so that is why it will be equal to A square plus this B square. So C square will be equal to A square plus B square. Okay, so it will be equal to A square plus 2A square. 2A square we have got it from here because B square is equal to 2A square. So here we are getting it 2A square. So after adding it we will get 3A square, and C will be equal to root 3A. This is how we have calculated the value of C. Now root 3A is equal to 4R. Okay, root 3A will be equal to 4R. Just see you are saying it that we will consider this length, means the radius of a sphere, as R. So okay, so R, then here we are having diameter, so this R plus R. Okay, so all of you know that diameter is the double of the radius. So R plus 2R is equal to 3R, and R from here, that is 4R. So root 3A will be equal to 4R, फिर A will be equal to 4R upon root 3. Now we can also write R's value from here. It will be equal to root 3 by 4A. Okay, so in this type of structure, the total number of atoms and their volume is 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So the volume of the cube, we all know that it is A side cube. So A cube will be equal to 4 by 3 pi 4 by root 3 r cube. This A value we have already calculated it here. So this value we will put in this part. Okay, so this will be equal to 4 by 3 and 4 by root 3 cube. Okay, or A cube will be equal to 4 by root 3 r cube. Now the packing efficiency in this case will be also equal to the volume occupied by the two spheres in the unit cell upon the total volume of the unit cell. Okay, so the volume occupied by the two spheres in the unit cell will be equal to 2 into the volume of the of the spheres. Okay, so 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, this is the formula for the volume of the sphere, upon the total volume of the unit cell, which will be equal to 4 by root 3 r cube. Okay, and into 100. After solving it we will get this equation, and after further solving this we will get 68%. Okay, so 68% is the packing efficiency in case of body centered cubic structures.